Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. We are discussing exercise 10.2 of circles class 10. So let's move on to the next question, question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD, where is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC, AD plus BC. So, a circle is drawn inside a quadrilateral and this is a thing which we have to prove. Okay. So, the quadrilateral touches the side at points P, Q, R, S. Okay. So, here we can use theorem 10.2. This A is an external point and AS and AP is a tangent. So, we can say AS is equal to AP. Here B is an external point. BP and BQ are tangents. So, BP is equal to BQ. Here C is external point. So, CR is equal to CQ. And D is an external point. So, DR is equal to DS by theorem 10.2. So, by theorem 10.2, what is theorem 10.2? Lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. Okay. So, AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. CR is equal to CQ and DR is equal to DS. I am giving this as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next, we are adding all the equations. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So, we are adding the LHS and here we are adding the RHS. So, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay. So, what is AP plus BP? AP plus BP is this full AB. Okay. So, AP plus BP we can write AB. AP plus BP. I am writing AB. And what is CR plus DR? CR plus DR, that is full CD. CD, that is equal to AS plus BQ. Where is AS? AS and BQ is here. So, AS plus BQ. Let us pair this AS with some other. So, I am taking AS and what should come? AS and DS should come. So, I am taking this AS and this DS. So, what is AS plus DS? AS plus DS is AD plus what is remaining? BQ plus CQ. What is BQ plus CQ? That is equal to BC. Hence, we proved AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is a very easy question. Hence, proved. Question number 10. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. What is supplementary? Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay, so I am drawing a circle with center O. Okay, angle between two tangents. So I am drawing two tangents from an external point. So let my external point be P. I have to draw two tangents. Okay, let this be A and let this be B. Okay, so angle between two tangents means this is the angle, and I am giving this angle as angle 1. Okay, and from an external point is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact. Here this is a point of contact, that is point of contact means the point which is common to the tangent and the circle. So this is a point of contact to the center. Here this is a point of contact to the center. Okay, so to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact at the center. So I am taking this as angle 2. So we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Here I am giving angle 3 and here I am giving angle 4. So what is given? A circle with center O, then tangents. Okay, tangents PA and PB are drawn from an external point P. To prove what we have to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. So next is our proof. Okay, so here this is a tangent, PA is a tangent and OA is a radius. So this angle is equal to 90 degree. That is OA is perpendicular to PA by theorem 10.1. So here PA is tangent and OA is radius. Okay, therefore OA is perpendicular to PA. Why? By theorem 10.1. Similarly, here PB and OA. PB is a tangent and OB is the radius. So PB is the tangent and OB is radius. Therefore, OB is perpendicular to PB. Theorem 10.1. Okay, so this angle 3 is equal to 90 degree and angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle 3 is equal to 90 degree and angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. I am giving this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Next, we can take this full quadrilateral OAPB. In quadrilateral OAPB, what is it? sum of the angles in a quadrilateral, that is equal to 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay. So what is angle 1? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. So that is a thing we have to prove, right? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90. 90 plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Hence, proved. Okay, students, we have proved that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.